A dream starts with a conversation, not necessarily a computer.
I believe in you guys. We believe in you. And you just have to have faith.
That's why Adrian Martinca created the Dream Guide.
Because the internet is so massive, so while it has so much potential, that potential can also easily get you lost, which is why if you don't have a prior intent or prior sense of purpose before you go and navigate the internet, it can many times bring you more darkness than light.
The specialized Dream Guide asks children to identify what makes them feel a certain way and create a vision that's meaningful. They then can access the Open Doors Challenge, where they can speak their dream before using a device.
The most important part about our Dream Guide is the ability to help a child go through a process where they understand that a dream is about creating relief or achieving some sort of sense of purpose and fulfillment. So a dream isn't material. It's not something like you want to be or something you want to achieve. A dream is a pathway that never ends.
Technology for the Future is partnering with any nonprofit, schools, and churches who serve children to implement the Dream Guide to reach every child across the nation. And with the support of parents, kids can better awaken their inner champion.
Our goal is to bring families together across the country and create that positive conversation of imagining the future with their children, especially now when we're in this mental health crisis and there's so many negative things happening. I think sometimes we forget the amount of positive energy and even how transformative a future present conversation can be.
We cannot teach the kids or the youth the information and not teach the parent, because the parent if don't have the information, they can't lead their kids into this future of technology.
Martinca has introduced the Dream Guide to triad nonprofits like Commander Peace Academy, who is planning to use the Dream Guide to address violence in the community.
These men who are out in our community that has been what quote unquote has been called deadbeat, missing in action, lost in the sauce. Where are they? All this going on. So bringing these men together and they all want to answer, because they have kids out here in the world, in the streets out here, and going to school where there's so much going on.
If you'd like a copy of the Dream Guide, go to abc45.com for details. Reporting in High Point, I'm Sarah Mastouri, ABC 45 News.